In this tutorial, we will learn how to offset. So this is the offset image. To make an offset, we can use this tool, this offset tool here. Okay, so offset means to create the same object in reduced size or in higher size and in multiple numbers. So let's start. First, delete this. Okay, how I have created. So first of all, let's create a rectangle and also a polygon. Let's select 6. Okay, now to offset, we have to click here, and then we have to specify the offset dimension. Suppose here 40. Press enter. Now select object you want to offset. Select here, and whenever you will move your cursor, whether you want to offset outside of this object or inside. Suppose I want to make an offset outside, so click here, outside is created. Suppose now I want to create inside this box, so we can move the cursor inside and then click, press enter. Okay, now how to create multiple offset. Let's click here, then you can press M for multiple, enter. Okay, and this distance is 40. Then select object, you can see inside or outside you can place. Suppose outside, done. Again, this is for multiple, so again click here, and outside another one, because we have given the command for multiple. You can select here, so any number of offset you can create like this, or you can create inside also, and press enter. Okay, we have seen for this a rectangle how to offset this, but this is the rectangle we have created using this tool over here. But sometimes we face some problem if we create with the help of this line. Suppose let's create this rectangle or this box. Okay, here if you select you can see these are the individual components, and here if you want to apply this offset, click offset. Suppose 50, click the dimension, then click the object. You can see outside or inside. Suppose inside, I want to offset inside only. uh, this this particular component came, and for this, so we need to do individual for the individual components, and press enter. Now we can trim this part also like this, but this is time consuming job. Press enter. But as you can see, these are the individual components done manually, but I want like this. What I can do, Okay, so in that case, let's delete. We can join. You go to modify. First you join all the components, then select the entire object and press enter. Now you can see only single object. Now we can apply this offset command over here. Give the dimension, this offset distance. You can see, suppose inside. Now it's done. Press enter. So now it's a single object. Okay. Now, if you don't want to specify the distance, suppose this 40, this 40, this distance I don't want to specify. As per my requirement, I want to provide this offset. So in that case, we can use this through. Okay, click this object and I can offset as much as per my requirement. You can see in any place I can place, suppose here, or I can reduce here and press enter. So like this you can offset any object inside or outside